Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance.
Hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, right here in the sunshine state of Florida. Back again with another Quick Bite episode, your fast and informative insurance market update. Today is Monday, October the 20th, 2025, and today we're diving into something or a topic that sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. Artificial intelligence is entering the homeowners insurance market, and it's headed straight for Florida. We're talking about how AI is changing underwriting, what that means for pricing and coverage, and what you can do as a homeowner to stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump in. A recent article from the Insurance Journal reports that an AI powered insurance company is expanding right here in Florida's challenging property insurance market. Now, Florida is one of the toughest places in the country to write insurance. Hurricanes, flooding, skyrocketing, and reinsurance costs. We've got it all. And many traditional insurers have waved the white flag and left. But these new players think they have the answer. Use massive amounts of data, advanced modeling to predict risk more accurately, and reward homeowners who make their homes more resilient. It's a bold move, and if they're right, it could reshape how property insurance works in Florida. Let's talk about why Florida is such a beast for insurers, or other words, insurance companies. Over the past few years, more than a dozen insurance companies have exited the state. Premiums here are now nearly 3 times the national average, and Citizens, the state-run insurer of last resort, has exploded to over 1.2 million policies. The reasons are simple. Hurricanes, tropical storms are causing billions in losses. Wind and water damage are becoming more frequent, and reinsurance, basically insurance for insurance companies, is more expensive than ever. However, like I did in a previous video, those rates seem to be adjusting this year, so we'll wait and see. That combination has created a massive coverage gap, especially for coastal homes and higher value properties. And that's where AI steps in. These companies see opportunity not by ignoring risk, but by understanding it at a much deeper level. Traditional underwriting looks at broad data, such as zip codes, distance from the coast, age of the home. It's useful, but it's also kind of like using a butter knife when you need a scalpel. AI, on the other hand, zooms in on the details. These models analyze the type of windows you have, the slope and materials of your roof, the species of trees around your property, even how close other structures are to your home. With that information, they stimulate hurricanes, windstorms, embers, all to see how your specific property would hold up. Example, 2 homes side by side, same year built, same street, but one has impact rated windows, a sealed roof deck, and vegetation cleared 10 feet from the walls. The other doesn't. Traditional underwriting might treat them the same. AI would price them very differently, and that difference could mean thousands in premium savings. Before setting its sights on Florida, this new breed of insurers or insurance companies cut its teeth in California, dealing with wildfire risks. They've already insured about 1 billion worth of high-value homes, many valued between 2 million to 10 million. Here's one example. A $5 million home in Pacific Palisades received a quote of about $35,000 a year from an AI-driven company. A non-admitted carrier quoted that same home at 46,000. Wow, that's a big difference. That's $11,000 difference. And the coverage was tailored to the property's specific vulnerabilities. Why should we care here in Florida? Because Wildfire risk in California and hurricane risk here are two sides of the same coin. Complex, dynamic, and often misunderstood by traditional models. This isn't just about cool tech. It's about a major shift in underwriting philosophy. Old school underwriting groups risk into big buckets like neighborhoods or zip codes. AI underwriting builds individual risk profiles for each home. Think of it like car insurance. It used to be based mostly on your age and zip code. Now, telematics measures how you actually drive and rewards you if you're safe. Same way, do you have hurricane straps? Are your windows rated for 150-mile-per-hour winds? Is your roof sealed and under 15 years old? Each yes could reduce your premium. Each no could increase it. And for the first time, homeowners have more control. You're not just a number in a risk pool. You can actively improve your risk profile. Now, before we start planning victory parades for AI, the experts want us to pump the brakes. First, AI models are complex. Even their creators sometimes can't fully explain why they rate one property higher than another. That lack of transparency could frustrate homeowners. Second, AI works best in the aggregate. It's great at predicting total losses across thousands of homes, but predicting the outcome for just one specific home, much harder. Third, correlated risk still matters. Even if your home is hardened, if your neighbors aren't, your premiums might still reflect that shared risk. And finally, solvency. If these new companies write too much business in one risky region, one catastrophic storm could overwhelm their reserves. Innovation is exciting, but it doesn't erase the fundamentals of insurance. Risk needs to be spread. Capital needs to be strong, and transparency still matters. So let's wrap this all up. What does this mean for you? Mitigation matters. Impact windows, reinforced garage doors, sealed roofs. These upgrades can pay off more than ever. Ask questions. If a company is using AI, ask how they assess your property and what you can do to improve your risk profile. Check financial strength. A cheap premium means nothing if the company can't pay claims after a hurricane. Shop around. New doesn't always mean better, but it can mean more options and smarter pricing. At the end of the day, AI isn't replacing human expertise, it's enhancing it. And in a state as challenging as ours, Florida, that could mean new hope for homeowners. If you found this quick bite helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with any insurance questions you'd like for me to cover in a future episode. And don't forget, a new quick bite drops Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. This video is for educational purposes only. It should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult with a licensed insurance professional about your unique situation. This is Roshonda with the Isom Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.